Okay, I'm gonna do this. Nope, not like this. This way. No shit, I got so much light. Yeah. Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Woo! I'm gonna throw all that crap out here. Next light modification. Well, it's not really. Yeah, it's a modification, but you know, it's not really for the lights. It's for the turn signal, the sequential turn signals for the Mustangs. For the 99 to 04 models, they didn't really have it. And if you get it aftermarket, it blinks pretty fast. And today I'm going to show you how to slow it down. So I'm gonna follow like a forum post.
Which was kind of hard to find, but it's not really hard to find if you know how to Google.
But yeah, I'm gonna follow that forum post. I'm gonna post that forum in the video description too, because I don't want to take all the credit. Why is my camera so dirty? That's better. And all you're gonna need is a capacitor and the relay. Because who wants to spend these freaking, how much are those? Like 30, 40 bucks? So I'm gonna show you which capacitors you can use and where you can find the blinker relay in your car, because it's different for a lot of models. For example, in the forum it was in the fuse box, but my car has it on the right side above the gas pedal. So I'm gonna show you where that is and how to find it, because it's the easiest thing to find your blinker relay. So yeah, let me show you what you need. Okay, my heater is running. It is cold as crap outside. This is what you're gonna need, not the whole thing of course, because you only need one of these capacitors. So if you still have a Radio Shack around, you can actually just buy a one of these, the 1UF capacitor. You can also use a 4.7. This one is the slowest, at least in the forum he said you can use these. And anyway, they all slow down the rate in a different speed. I'm probably gonna use the 1 because 1 is the main one, I guess, and this is gonna be one of those. His looks a little bit different in the forum, but they all work the same. They have one in and one out. Focus is not gonna work on this crap. There you go. And we're gonna figure out today, since I'm doing this the first time too, how to get these to work right, how to wire them on there. But yeah, anyway, let's go to the car and show you where the blinker relay is and how to find it. Oh, what a beautiful weather. At least the sun is shining. The dog is going crazy. Oh, it's because of that stupid bicycle driver again. And yeah, I know my dog is on a chain, but it's a long chain and it's not a heavy chain, so she'll be fine. And first I'm gonna show you how fast the blink rate is. As you can see, it almost got no time to even sequential. And then we come to the next thing. How do you find it if you don't have it in the same spot? You can hear it. Like for example in the forum he said he had his somewhere back here, somewhere here, over here. But mine is over here, that yellow thing. Because if you can hear it, there's clicks, and you can also hold your hand on it, and yeah, it clicks. So now I'm gonna try to figure out how to get this out. Shouldn't be too hot, it's just kinda dark. So let me pause the video real quick and turn on the flash. Okay, now so I cannot promise you that I can show you how to get this out, because I have to figure it out myself, but I'm pretty sure this is just clipped in there. Okay, after a lot of struggle, I got it out. It's just clipped into this thing right there. So you just have to pull it out, and now we just have to get it off the cable, which there's like a little clip right here. Just gonna have to use a flathead, take it out. There we go. That's it. Now we can go back inside the shed and open up the relay. Ah, it's so cold. God damn. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend doing this when it is ice cold outside, because your hands start hurting after a couple seconds. Okay, here we got the relay. The interesting part is the opening process. It looks like we have like in the corners we have like these noses which we have to somehow bend in. Okay, here we are, I got it out. It took me a little bit. I'm pretty sure this is like the hardest part, not to break it and getting out the relay out of the housing. I actually did crack this piece, this right here, but that's okay. It's just a plastic piece, doesn't do anything. So here we got the blinker relay. And how I did it now, I just bent or kind of scraped off the yellow noses on the sides. Now what we have to do, if I remember right, we have to connect our 1UF thing to this and this side of the big blue thing right here, and then it should slow it down. Let me just make sure. Okay, so I was reading in a little bit. Actually, you only use the one UF, or if you want to have it slower, you cut the 3.3, which this one is, off, and you solder in a 4.7. So we're just gonna do a 1 UF, then we're gonna bend these sides a little bit like this. Then we're gonna have to cut it off a little bit, but actually I'm gonna see, because we're gonna have to create a little U that's gonna latch around. Okay, here we are, I got it latched on now. I think that's right.
It looks the same like his picture. I mean, he has a different one. His looks like this, where it comes in on one side, comes out on the other. I have it both coming in one side and a
other, but now I'm gonna just try it out and see if it actually works. And if it does, we did it right. If not, I'm gonna have to turn it around, or I broke the relay. Okay, back in the car. Now we get the cable. I hope this camera angle works. Now we just gotta plug this back in. Okay, and then we try it. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it sounds slower. Is it slower? I don't remember. I really don't remember. I think it is slower. Oh, okay. I think it's slower. Okay, but yeah, that's it. If you want to have it even slower, you just cut off the blue one and solder in the 4.7, which I feel like I might do, because I don't know if that's slow enough. I'm gonna have to check my video that I just recorded and see if it's actually that much slower. Okay, I did check the video, and yes, it is slower a little bit. I'm probably gonna solder in the 4.7 though, make it even slower. So I guess we will see us right back in the shed after I got this back out of here and then solder in the 4.7. Okay, back in the shed. Woo. The easiest way doing it, just using a solder, and okay, this is not gonna be a hard thing to show you, but so here we got this thing. This is gonna get soldered out, so we're gonna have to heat it this point up and this point. That way we can pull the blue thing out, and then we're just gonna stick the other one in there and solder it back together. Okay, where's my soldering iron? I shouldn't need any solder, but I do have some. Where's it at? Oh, right here. And a 4.7 capacitor. Okay, I moved you guys on the table now, so I have some space over here. I think if I bend the pin first, gonna be easier. You see how this is like bent inside a little bit? If I bend this straight and this one, first of all I know which one it is then. There we go. So 3.3, it says it right there. And we're gonna put in a 4.7 because we had a pretty much what we connected together right here was a 4.3, because 1 plus 3.3 is 4. Well, so what we're gonna do now is a 4.7. I'm gonna try to bend me this together over here the same way this blue one is. So the arrow has to go like this. There we go, got it in there. Now I'm just gonna cut the ends off and bend them back inside. There you go, this is like much smaller now. Just make sure you don't hit any of the other capacitors or whatever these are. So leave a little bit of space. Now I'm gonna try and see if I can get this, there you go. Get the solder a little bit more solid. There you go. I don't have this is not the right soldering iron to do this stuff. There's like a better one out there. To the car. Let's see if we did it right. If not, we just gotta turn it. Oops. If not, we just gotta turn it around. Okay, let's see if it clicks. Oh yeah, that's a lot slower. Holy crap, that's awesome. Yes, that's perfect. I love that. That is beautiful. Nice. Okay, cool. Now we're just gonna put it back together. I know my car's dirty, by the way. I literally just cleaned it a couple days ago on the inside and outside. But when you have a backyard like this, there is no possible way. God, it's so windy. There's no possible way that you can, keep a clean car, because you step in dirt all the time, and I don't really worry about it. But you know, there's some crybabies out there. Okay, which way? This way. If you don't remember which way it is, you have these little noses, one on this side, and one down here. You have these little holes, one on this side, and one down here. So this is how it has to go back in here. Now it's not gonna click back in because I literally... Oh, actually, it does. There you go. Looks almost brand new, other than this freaking shit is cracked on this side. There you go. That's better. Okay, yeah, that's it. Now we just gotta install it back in the car and we are done. That was fun. Now we can just click it back in. Just slide it back on there and that's it. So yeah, if you guys... let me crawl back out here first. Still works. Yeah. So if you guys like this video, give me a like, share it in the Facebook groups. There's probably some other people that already made a video. I didn't even check. I was just like, yeah, let me do a video. But yeah guys, that's it. Oh god, there's the sun. Very smart. If you like this video, give me a like. That's pretty much it for my lighting mods. Now I'm gonna have to call a shop because I want my windows tinted a little darker, and because I have a scratch in the tint that's in there now. But yeah, until then, I hope you like this video and we see us next time. Bye bye.